Hi everyone and welcome back to another one of my videos. Probably I told you before how I don't like spending money on cheap stuff, but I keep doing it sometimes. Why I don't like to do that? It's because I buy the really cheap stuff that it's crap and then I end up buying the good stuff anyway. So this is what happened in this instance. So I told you I wanted to buy a drone. It seemed a good deal at 30 something dollars, and I just wanted it to hover and see what I'm doing for a couple of minutes. I know up to 10 minutes would have been fine, but that thing would not stay put. So I couldn't use it. Well, it's not that it wouldn't stay put, it wouldn't take off. So I had to dispatch of it, and this is what I have here. I ended up buying the Bugs 4W after seeing a bunch of reviews about it and seeing that this thing is in fact able to stay in one place and send you pretty good footage. I'm gonna try and add at the end of this video footage of me trying to do a backup into a blind spot using this guy here. So without further ado, let's get into the box. Here it is, the e-packet. I got it on eBay. It's this is not a promotion. I bought it myself with my money. Nobody sent this to me. So let's see what's going on. Okay, so finally, box is open. Bunch of bubble wrap. So that's a good thing. At least we know that the drone is protected. I was kind of hoping I'm gonna get it in a bag. Probably I didn't read everything right. Anyway, it's here, and from the first look inside, I can see the motors on this thing. I can see the winding, the copper wires, and I can see that it's actually really good quality. It's like day and night compared to the little crap thing that I had previously. Okay, we have a little box here that contains a charger with 2 slots for the batteries. How do I take the battery out? Okay, easily. Okay. We have a wire here that is USB Type-C to USB, and you plug this into a charger and it's going to charge up the battery. If you have another cable like this, you see you have 2 USB-C charges, so you can put 2 wires in here, take it to 2 outlets, and then you're gonna charge really fast the two batteries at the same time. I see some padding around this battery here. I don't know if it's supposed to be there or if I'm supposed to take it off. Probably I'm supposed to take it off because it's not latching in. Okay, what else? We have more padding, and here it is. This is the remote control. You open these things up so you have something to hold on to. You have the antennas. I'm trying to open them up without breaking something. Okay, so there's a little indent in here in the back. You put your finger in there and press on it, and then the antennas will pop up like this. Okay, you have 2 little knobs here on the sides. You have a camera here that you use it to film or take pictures. Peel this off. Ooh, nice. And it takes 2 1.5 volts AA batteries in the back for the remote control. And now the main attraction, the bug itself. So it was in this protective thing. Whoops, nope. This way and that way. So there's a specific way you open these up, otherwise you can't open it. There's another thing that you can peel off. Of course, the battery just slides in there. You have the two ultrasonic sensors. You have the down-facing sensor that holds a steady point even if you're inside the house and it doesn't have GPS access. You have the landing lights, and of course you have the little gimbal here. Man, this thing is pretty. Okay. Okay, so the battery's in. Let me check if I have AA batteries. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, everyone, so here I am outside. I'm flying the drone. I can't film it and fly it at the same time because I'm also watching the footage on the phone that will be uploaded, some of it. So what I wanted to show you is a thing that I did is that I tried to fly it inside and I banged it against the ceiling fan, and then it bounced all over the house, and the propellers are, well, pretty much destroyed. And even though the propellers are in the shape that you can see here, this thing still flies flawlessly. Well, this propeller is good-ish, but the other ones have literally chunks missing out of them. This tip is bent. You see, this one has a few chunks missing. Tip is bent, so they're in pretty rough shape, and yet this thing still flies and holds steady and goes wherever you tell it to go, and it's just amazing. So worth every penny